It's important that we include in any attempt to understand and treat cranial problems those aspects which are mechanical, which demonstrate physically measurable motion of and between the cranial bones, however small, and those which are subtle, such as the cranial rhythms, which seem to be so intimately linked to these physical osseous motions, but which many therapists interpret as relating to energy or fluid electric factors, which demand for their acceptance a different mindset and belief system to that currently operating in Western medicine. Before exploring cranial structure and function via palpation and various exercises, it may be useful to examine an energy analogy taken from the work of Fritz Smith, MD. A sailing boat has a physical structure, mast and sails, for example. When the wind blows, the sails fill and move the boat. It's possible to objectively measure, test, and assess the structural, physical, mechanical characteristics and efficiency potential of the boat, of its mast, sails, and the variety of ropes and attachments involved. We can also assess the nature and power and direction of the wind, which moves the boat, and some of the influences of the fluid in which it is carried. A boat that's moving erratically could be being influenced by an erratic wind, gusting, strong, and then weak, or problems in the machinery and structure of the boat's sails or mast, or other factors, such as the conditions prevailing in the sea itself. When palpating the skull, subtle movements may be felt which may be interpreted as energy. In the same way, if a finger touches the full side of a sail, the energy of the wind can be felt. Some practitioners and therapists apply a great amount of time and effort towards the objective of modifying energy factors, the wind in this example. Others focus on mechanical restrictions. Yet others try to evaluate and deal with the mind-body complex, lifestyle, diet, etc., the environment of the boat, the sea, weather conditions in this example. And push your face up into my hand. Some, of course, try to deal with all aspects, the whole person, and it's suggested that this should be the ideal, so that we focus on the person, their environment, as well as their functional capacity and energy, and also their structural integrity. All of these elements might be usefully modified under specific conditions, and all of them should receive appropriate attention without any suggestion that one or other approach is too mechanistic or too subtle or too non-specific. All aspects of function and structure interrelate so completely that no focus on one aspect alone can be described as truly holistic and comprehensive.